friends, in the previous video we have configured some part of internal order creation. In the previous video we have defined internal order type and one of order type SAP we have created, in which we have also created settlement profile, planning profile, budget profile, and this internal order is for overhead cost. As we have said, there are four types of order: overhead order, revenue order, investment order, production order. So these are we are using this as a overhead order for recording of some of expenses which are uh, incurred for a short term period. In the last video we have created status profile 7x01 and order layout SAC. In this status profile control business transaction which are allowed on internal order. So you can control your business transaction through status management. Which type of transaction are allowed in this internal order? You can control check through status management. So in the last video we have created status profile. We will see it again because we have not seen whether internal order is ticked on status profile. Go to status management, define status profile. Here we have created internal order 001. Here we have removed all other details, and for checking whether internal order is ticked or not, you can check it through object type. Click on object type. Here you can manage your business transaction on internal order. Which type of transaction are allowed in this internal order? You can activate it by clicking here. So in our cases we have to check whether we have specified internal order as a allowed business transaction. So we have ticked it, so it is okay. Now we have defined screen layout. Screen layout is used at the time of creation of internal order. In the last video we have created screen layout SAC, but we have created only one line item. So that single line item, if first of all we will select this our layout and tab pages tiles. Here in last video we have added only one line item, but now in this video I have already added this line item. So this much screen will be available at the time of creation of internal order. In this particular assignment you have to assign this tab page to this position group box in tab. Here you have to select, you can select relevant screen for your internal order. Here we are using this as overhead order, so I have selected assignment, control data, period and closing, settlement to one receiver, general data. In case of we are using it as an investment order, then this order figure will also require. So in our cases we have selected assignment, control data, period and closing, settlement, general data. This 5 screen will be available at the time of creation of internal order. So here first screen will be assignment, thereafter second screen will be control data, select control data position group box. Here you have to select group from available dialog box control data. In the same way you have to assign all your tab pages to particular group, right? Now we will create internal order. For creation of internal order, transaction code is KO01. we can go, we can go through part. It is in accounting, controlling, internal order, master data, special function, order. Your transaction code is KO01. There are two types of internal order. One is real internal order and other is statistical internal order. Real internal order is used for recording of specific transaction occur for a short term period. For example, trade fair, or market campaigning, recruitment expenses, get together party, repair maintenance expenses, and it's required settlement at the end of the period. Whereas statistical internal order is used for a cost object which cannot be itemized in detail in cost center accounting. For example, motor vehicle expenses. We cannot settle statistical order because it is incurred within the cost center and it does not require any settlement. So first of all we create internal order, real internal order. Go to master data, SAC, internal order, responsible cost center. Here responsible cost center will be the cost center who is responsible for doing this activity. So marketing campaign will be done by marketing department or sales department. So we will select cost center 9001 sales department, and requesting cost center will be from production team. Suppose one of our plant is retail, is manufacturing retail products and it's require marketing. So in our cases about production center, production unit 7 is requesting for marketing its products, so we have selected it as a requesting cost center. Now go to control data. Here we can control it whether this is a real order or statistical order, whether planning is we will do planning in this internal order or not, and our currency. Now go to period and closing. Here we have to settle this order to a multiple cost center, so we will go to settlement rules. Here it is account assignment category. Click on this. It is cost center. We have to settle this cost between cost center, so we will select cost center amount between or among which we want to settle our cost. So production unit 7, cost center 6001, we are allocating this cost center for 50%, and rest part will be bear by marketing cost center. For testing purpose, enter it. Now we have defined settlement rules and control data. It is okay from our end. And settlement, actually it is covered in this screen, so it is not required here. In general data, there is no any details as for testing purpose, so we will save it. No profit center entered, although profit center accounting is active. It is just a warning message, so we are avoiding it. 500025 is our internal order number, so we will write it down. 5005. Five triple zero five is our internal order, real internal order. Now we will also create internal order for our order category 2 from this order itself, so that automatic data will be coming from that. Okay, different status, right? Internal order with user status, user status, right? Rest all things will remain as per last one. Save it. No profit center, ignore this warning message. And our third order type is SAP internal order statistical. This order will be our statistical order. And here responsible cost center is here our responsible cost center will be, yes, in our cases sales department all, and the requested cost center is also a sales department. Motor pool expenses in sales department itself. Go to control data. Here we have to select statistical order and actual cost posted cost center. Here posted cost center means our marketing cost center itself. We want to analyze motor pool expenses in marketing department, so this does not require settlement, so we will not do any system is also giving message, so this is not required. Save it. Okay, remove this. Our internal order 500027 created. So we have created 3 internal order. One is internal order with user status, and third one is statistical order. Now we will create the internal order group. Go to order group, create internal order group. Order group is internal order. Okay. Select this internal order group. Save it. Here first one is real internal order. IO. Real internal order. Second one is real OI but user status. Internal order with user status. And third one is statistical other. Now click this lower level. Here our real internal order is lower level. These three order we have created, and it is group under internal order group. And underscore order. Now we will post expenses into internal order by transaction code FB50. Before posting any expenses, we will assign this internal order to default account assignment. Transaction code to OKB9. Transaction code OKB9 is used for default account assignment. Here we have to assign marketing expenses to this particular internal order, as we are using real internal order first. Let me just check whether we have assigned marketing expenses to any particular cost center or profitability segment here. So I don't find marketing expenses. I will create new entry. First enter company code, thereafter cost element, chart of account is YCOA, here we have created marketing expenses cost element. Click on search button. So use this cost element, and here we have to assign internal order 25. Cost element in controlling gas SAP does not exist. Okay, cost element does not exist. We will check it in transaction code FS00. FS00 is the transaction code to create GL account and parallel cost center creation. Okay, this GL account is exist. GL account is exist, but cost element is not created. So we will create cost element and make changes in account currency because we are following INR currency. We are removing tax category as we are not posting any tax with these expenses, and cost element category will be primary cost element category. So now save it. Now this will allow us come out from this screen. Come out from this screen. Let's start OKB9. Our company code, cost element 500025. Save it. Now we will post expenses through AB50. Marketing expenses. Expenses here, let's say 10,000, and the credit will be bank account. 10,000, value date 5. Your system has picked cost center. Okay, let's simulate, post it. Now we will post another entry in order type SAC1, order type with user status, marketing expenses, debit 10,000. In this case we will use different number. Outgoing bank 5,000, value date 5th March. Here we have to change order number 50026. User status LKD is active. We have to change user status, which we have maintained in status management profile. Go to status management, define internal order type, object type, second. Status and 2 have the same position and priority. And this object type we have to check whether we have logged or not.
पैसा ऊपर ना साल क्या એટલે પાણીમાં નાખવાના જ મારી લોકો કઈ નહીં રહેતા તો આપશે
Here we have not taken any lock indicator, but let's see. Get a not change, so it won't allow us to make any posting, so we will cancel this posting. Now we'll check with another order, statistical order for FB50. Motor pool. Here in statistical order we have also missed one things, so we will first go to order type, change order type. In master data, control data, and settlement. Here we have to click on settlement cost element. We have created settlement cost element 9012 cost center. We are cost center is 9001. GL account is, let's in this case we will use GL account. We'll check whether motor pool expenses is available or not. Otherwise, for testing purpose, we will use the same GL account. Motor pool expenses. Check these expenses, operating expenses from motor vehicle, interest expenses, motor vehicle, depreciation expenses. We are not using this because this ROU is used for something configuration part. Let's we will use marketing expenses for testing purpose, right? Enter one receiver only. Okay, whether we have let's remove from here. Go to period and closing. Okay, let's ignore it. I think a statistical order may not contain any control parameter. Ignore changes. We will post expenses in FB50. So FB50 in statistical order. In marketing GL itself, because motor pool expenses is not available, debit 6,000, financing bank value date. So we have just entered this, and this expenses is to be posted to quotient statistical order. So automatic cost center is derived. Simulate, save it. Now we have posted actual expenses in these two order. Next step is settlement of internal order. Internal order settlement. If these are the report which are available for viewing internal order data, we will check actual line item if available in this particular report. Enter. Okay, from order 25 to 27. Select one of the alternatives specified. Okay, this much expenses we have posted, right? 10,000 and 6,000 in our internal order. Okay, now we will settle this internal order. Transaction code is KO88. Okay, 500025 is our real internal order, so it requires settlement. Other one is statistical internal order. Okay, settlement executed. Now we will remove test run. Execute. Go to detail. So this much amount is posted and settle to different receiver. One is the production unit 6 and other one is product marketing department itself. Okay, so in this way settlement is done. Next we will see integrate internal order planning in next video. Thank you.